So if you're looking to grow your email list with people who are actually interested in your business, the key is creating a lead magnet people genuinely want. Now today I'm going to be walking you through the 3 elements every successful lead magnet should include, plus 4 proven lead magnet formats that you can start using today. Let's jump in. So step number 1 is to understand what a lead magnet really is. Now, lead magnet is a free resource that you offer in exchange for someone's contact information. Now, usually this is their email address. Now, the goal here is simply to collect emails. It's to attract qualified people who are likely to become future customers. And the reason that this works so well is because there is some sort of an exchange where people are not getting spammed with unwanted information, but they are saying, yes, I will give you my email because I want this thing that you are offering me of value that is somehow tied into why I would eventually want to hire you to work with me or to provide some service or product for me. So a good lead magnet helps you grow your email list, build trust, establish authority, and generate future sales. And if you can align all of those things, you have a home run when it comes to your lead magnet. So step number 2 is your lead magnet needs to solve a real problem. You know, the first requirement of a great lead magnet is for it to solve an immediate problem from your audience. You know, instead of creating something that you think people will want, build your lead magnet around questions your audience is already asking. And this is where you don't want to be stingy. The more valuable and the more practical it is, the more likely people will subscribe and give you their email. And again, the more value that you're giving them for simply giving you their email, the more trust that you're going to build. And as we all know, people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So trust being the anchor of this is you're saying, hey, look what I'm going to give you for free. Just give me your email. Think about what else I can give you if we continue to work together in the future. And that's what your emails and your marketing that you will do with that email will eventually do. So step number 3 is to create curiosity for what's next. Your lead magnet should deliver genuine value, but it shouldn't attempt to teach everything. Instead, help people achieve an early win while naturally showing them there's more to learn. When subscribers see results from your free resource, they're going to be much more interested in your paid products or services. So then, step number 4 is include a clear next step. Every lead magnet should encourage subscribers to continue their journey with your business, not just take this free resource and stop there. After someone finishes your free resource, guide them towards the next logical action, such as booking a consultation or purchasing a product, joining a course, reading another resource, signing up for a webinar. Your lead magnet should be the beginning of the customer's journey, not the end. And if you're really interested and want to build a lead generation system for yourself, I've got a free resource just for you. It's a complete guide to modern lead generation. It covers how to build a lead generation framework, use AI and automation to improve lead quality, and connect your campaigns directly to revenue. Plus, it comes with tools and templates to help you implement everything that you need to get started. And it's completely free. So all you have to do is just click the link in the description below. So let's talk about some proven lead magnet strategies. Strategy number 1. Solve the first step. Rather than solving someone's entire problem, help them complete the very first step, completely and fully finishing that first step. This gives them something as an immediate result while showing them there's a complete process available if they want to continue. You know, this could be a starter checklist, maybe a beginner's guide, first step templates, quick start workbooks. You know, this approach is really powerful because it builds confidence and encourages people to keep learning from you. Strategy number 2 is to diagnose the problem. Help your audience identify a challenge they may not even realize that they have. Interactive lead magnets work especially well here. This could be quizzes, this could be assessments or scorecards, self-evaluations. And after showing someone where they currently stand, recommending the next step to improve their results, obviously by working with you or purchasing whatever service that you're offering, is going to be the next logical step. And this also is a great way of positioning yourself as the authority in that space. Strategy number 3 is teach the what, sell the how. This is a very effective approach, is to teach your audience what they need to do while positioning yourself and your product and your service as the easiest way to accomplish that. Great formats for this include workshops and webinars, master classes, educational training sessions. And by giving away valuable knowledge, you build the credibility while naturally leading people toward your paid solution. Strategy number 4 is offer a free sample. Sometimes the simplest lead magnet is giving people a taste of what you sell. Examples could be a free trial, product samples, discount codes, mini versions of a paid product, limited free access. This allows potential customers to really experience your brand before making a purchase. And this is one you see all the time. You get 30 days free or a week trial offer or something like that. It gets you in there and plugs you into the system and gives you a taste of what this full-blown system could be all about and how it's going to benefit you in the long run. Now, the next step is to choose the right lead magnet for your business. Not every lead magnet works for every business. Choose a format that naturally aligns with your products and services and provides genuine value to your ideal customer. Once you figure out that ideal lead magnet that is very targeted and very specific to your ideal customer, and you make the value so high, so great, that people would be ready to pay money for that. Not just a generic PDF, but something with real tangible value. And you say, I'm just going to give you this. All I want is your email. People are not going to hesitate to give you their email address for something that they are going to get real value with. And those people that already make that exchange with you, an email for something of value, and you position yourself as the leader and the authority and the one that can solve their problems, and you have clear next steps, then you're well on your way to growing your email list and ultimately growing your customer base and your business, all through this technique with lead magnets. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.